Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to make money on Lollipop Live app. There are several ways of making money on Lollipop Live app. The first way is this. Log into your Lollipop Live account, click on the profile icon. You are going to see an option called tax. Click on it. So clicking on the option called tasks, there are daily tasks that you are required to complete in order to get rewarded. The first is party live for 60 minutes, which is probably 1 hour. The second is party live for 120 minutes, which is actually 2 hours in a day. And you're going to be given 5,000 T points in each of them. The second is as a visitor on mic, party live to get 200 T coin. We'll have the next that says send this fruit 10 times and get 500 T points. Game betting also gives you 500 T points. Invite one person and get $10. I think that's the easiest task so far to invite, and the person should approve your invitation, accept your invitation before you be given this $10. We also have the next one here that says lucky gift rank bonus, and you'll be able to get up to $5 daily. Apart from your daily tags, you can also earn from Lollipop Live by joining a party and trying to gamble in a party. Depending on the kind of party, if you join a game party and you want to win, what you do is you read the write-up that is written at the top, that line that is reading at the top and the one reading below, to know the instruction given to you in order to know the kind of gifts you send. So when you select the particular gift that is you're instructed to send, you can actually win a point or a coin through this process. Another way you can actually win is by joining a live stream. So when you join a live stream, all you have to do on the live stream, so right here on my live stream chat, you can see an option that is saying we should send a gift. You can see it says win. When you send 200, send this card, you're going to win. You see, so you just have to click on your gift option and look for that particular gift that you're told to send. Look for it from this option and send it. Automatically you're going to actually win. So that is how to play it. You obey the instruction, send gift when you're told to send to win. Okay, somebody just won. Now you can see big win. Somebody just won for sending this. Somebody just won. Okay, that is it on how to win on a live chat. You just obey the instruction, look at the gifts that you're told to send and send it automatically. So when you do that, you're going to win automatically. So guys, that is it on how to earn money on Lollipop Live app. You just have to join a live stream chat and obey some instructions in order to win. It can be called also a gamble on the live chat in order to win. Likewise a party, and also completing your daily tasks. That way you'll be able to win. But if you want to just buy your coin, exchange it to T points, we still have offline sellers that can do that for you. All they do is sell coin. You just have to chat the particular person you want, and then the person, you can see those ones that are online, you can see that is being signified here. Just send a message to that person, and then you are going to send the money and the person will send you the coin. Don't be afraid if they're going to steal your money, because they are trusted merchandise. That is why their phone number and their names and contacts are in Lollipop Live app. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to earn money on Lollipop Live app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.